All right, folks, we're in the thick of it now, right? Corporate earnings has begun the season. Fed tapering, guessing game, that's keeping everyone busy. So how to deal with all of these moving parts? I want to bring in TJM Institutional Services Director Jim Irio, along with Key Advisor Group CEO Eddie Ghabour. Eddie, let me start with you because I know you think inflation is going to run hot for 12 more months. If that's the case, what does it mean for the stock market?
So yes, Charles, we think inflation is going to be hot due to housing, food, rents. They're all going to continue to increase in labor costs, but that doesn't mean we're going to hyperinflation. So you can still do well in this environment, and we think equities will do well, but we think investors need to pivot and follow the game plan we shared with them back in June. We're getting ready to head into a lower growth on GDP. So when you see decelerating growth, you want to increase the quality of your portfolio. Mega cap growth does well, REITs do well, dividends. So increasing the quality on the equity side to complement the beta you're having on the other part of your portfolio, we believe you need to start doing that rotation as we have here in the past month.
The only thing I could trace that to, guys, was a bulletin out of UK, 42,000 COVID-19 cases. As soon as that came out, the wheels came off the market. We've regained that equilibrium. Eddie, I'll go with you and then back to you, Jim. How dangerous is that? How does that change the equation if we keep seeing COVID-19 Delta variant grow in this country?
I think the Delta variant, frankly, is more of a headline risk than anything. I can see a scenario, and I'm basing that based on the data we're seeing on hospitalizations and death rates. I could see a scenario where there's a scare from the media talking with a big headline and you see a sell-off. I frankly would look at that as a big buying opportunity if we saw a reaction to that. So it's definitely, in my opinion, the biggest short-term risk we have in the market because we know the Fed is off the table.
Jim, Eddie, guys, I'm going to apologize. I wish we had more time. We're out of time. I love tapping your brain and your brilliance, but we got some good actionable advice from you, and that's the main point. Talk to you again both real soon.